YouTube. Welcome back to the Investing on a 9 to 5 YouTube channel. It is your boy, the Dividend Dog. Got some good news for us Nvidia holders out there. As the title states, guys, it has been added to the Dow Jones, and I'll be going over just in a quick video what that means for us as investors. So kick back for this quick video. Hope you guys are doing well out there on a Saturday. Thank you guys again for joining me here. Thank you for liking and subscribing to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and turn those notifications on, guys. Keep forgetting to say that in my videos so you guys can stay updated when I do drop some content here. So we're going to go ahead and take a dive into the video now. So, as the title stated, Nvidia to join the Dow Jones Industrial Average, replacing the rival chip maker Intel, which is good news for us investors, guys. And I'm going to tell you guys why here. But before, I'm going to explain to you guys what the Dow Jones is for any of our veteran investors out there that's been in the market for as long as I have been, or anybody that's new. Dow Jones is just another index that tracks basically the performance of 30 large publicly traded companies in the U.S. These companies are leaders in their different industries like tech, finance, and healthcare. It was essentially created in 1896 by Charles Dow. I actually read that in a book that I'm reading, a charting and technical analysis book that I'm reading now, by Charles Dow and Edward Jones. It was designed to show the overall stock market performing and basically in those companies and the sectors and so on, how it tracks that. So why does it matter? The Dow Jones matters is because it shows the economic indicator. The Dow is often used to gauge the health of the U.S. economy. When the Dow is rising, as you guys can see here, since 2020 here, it's been rising, it's been going up. It's just letting us know that the businesses are doing well and the economy is going strong, essentially giving us an idea of how the market is going. And also, too, investor sentiment. Many people, investors use the Dow Jones performance as a quick check of how the stock market, like I said, is doing overall. And a significant move in the Dow can affect an investor's confidence and influence in buying and selling decisions and so on. So the Dow Jones is very, very important, such thing as the SPY and the NASDAQ, things of that nature. But Nvidia being added to the Dow is very, very good news. As you guys can see here, like I said, this is old CEO here, Jensen, aka should be the president here. He's the one that's the head honcho at Nvidia. Love that leather jacket. I got to get me one of those just like him. I should have dressed up as him as Halloween. I'm kidding. But like I said, Nvidia is replacing the chip rival maker Intel and the Dow, which is a shakeup with the blue chip index that reflects the boom in artificial intelligence, which we've been talking about, which you guys have been saying and hearing, that AI is just scraping the surface, guys. It is on its way. And I'm right here, Nvidia is leading the way here by getting into the Dow Jones. And the stock actually has reacted very well after hours. I mean, I like to watch the market after hours, even on Fridays. And I saw that Nvidia had spiked up to 139 and some change here. So I was wondering what was going on. And then I did some deeper research and I found this. I was like, boom, we got to get this video out to you guys. But also Sherwin-Williams, a paint company, will replace Dow in the index as well, which is their shares obviously went up. I think they're up like $12. They went up $12 after hours on Friday as well. But as you guys know, Nvidia shares have climbed up over 170% just this year in 2024, after jumping up 240% in the last year, as investors have rushed to get a piece of the AI chip maker, including myself here. Nvidia's market cap is all the way up to now to $3.3 trillion. Second place is Apple among the publicly traded companies, including Microsoft, Meta, Google, and the good old Amazon, are purchasing Nvidia's graphic processings, which aka GPUs, such as their H100, their Hopper, which was going to be reported here on the next earnings here in a couple of weeks, in massive quantities to build their clusters of computers for their AI work, including Tesla is ordering a crap ton of AI products from Nvidia. So this is really good news for us. And Nvidia's revenue has more than doubled in each of the past 5 quarters and has tripled in 3 of them. The company has signaled that the demand for the next generation AI for their GPU called Blackwell is actually insane, according to Jensen here. So with the addition of Nvidia, 4 of the $6 trillion tech companies are now in the index. The two that are not included in the Dow are Google and Meta. While Nvidia has been soaring, Intel has been slumping, so that's why they had to do a reshuffle and get these guys in, and it's only going to help get more exposure to Nvidia, to get more institutions to buy it, and more investors are more likely going to join in and buy in the company here, which is going to affect the stock price here. So as I mentioned previously, that the stock went up. So after hours on Friday, it went up to 139.32 after it's just been holding on to that 135.40 line all week. It's been consolidating here. Or as you can see, it's been consolidating for the last 5 days, but then we got a spike here after hours once we got the news from the Dow Jones that they were going to be including them. So like I said, guys, the Dow Jones index membership means that, like I said, mutual funds and ETFs designed to track the Dow will be buying shares of Nvidia for their ETFs. This, once again, is going to increase the demand and should, exert the upward pressure of the stock price. And as you guys can see here, some analysts have gotten, really, really detailed. I would say I have high conviction that Nvidia is definitely worth well over the 152. I don't know $200 right now, but right now they got it as a high of 212.93, 152 mean, and a 153. So these are all really good target prices from the 135 that it's at now, or 139, essentially what it went up to on Friday after being included into the Dow Jones. And I got down here, guys, I have 19 shares in the portfolio. And it's around $2,500 of Nvidia in the portfolio. And I'll be looking to add more here soon, just as much as I can, continue to add to it as often as possible. So, yeah, just a quick video once again, guys, here on the Investing on a 9 to 5. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure you guys are liking and subscribing. And let me know what you guys think of Nvidia being added to the Dow Jones. And if you don't have it added to your portfolio, will you be adding it to your portfolio, or will you be adding more now after this good news here? Let me know, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.